Hi everyone, it's a quick update video about close testing services. Google announced the close testing services in 2024 January. They required 20 testers for publishing the app, but nowadays recently I think it's yesterday Google announced that a good news actually. We don't need 20 testers anymore. Eh, we need only 12 testers. You can see that in production access only 12 testers you need to test your applications. After 12 testers for 14 days, then you can publish the app. It's a new update. We don't need 20 people, we need just 12 people or 12 devices actually, but you have to test properly to get the production access. If you want to test your applications, then you can contact with me. I can provide the lots of services regarding the Android application. I will build Android applications. I can test applications with our C team with 25 peoples, and we publish the app. So we have already published hundreds plus applications on Google Play Store. You can see my previous or other video on this channel. You will see all the details. Thank you so much.